HBC Casino. Maybe more people here in evening.
Actually, no, weekend. Weekend got more
Weekend.
people here exercise. They from the hotel here, they come here for exercise. Because this side, left side is a garden by the way. And this one, of course, there's a lot of tourists staying at this hotel. You from this, the center there, you can see the casino.
Inside there.
This one, that one is all our finance center. There's our finance center, and some is Melinda Bay, the house, I mean the condo.